Let's make a smoked cream cheese football. That's right, football's back, so you know we gotta get this fire started.
So to get this started, I light up a small amount of charcoal, and when they are ashed over, I dump them into one side of the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler. Then get that lid shut down and kick the vents back to dial in the temp to 225. While your temp is balancing out, go ahead and carve up your cream cheese in the shape of a football. Then add your laces by using a knife to score it. Grab some Spiceology Smoky Honey Habanero and season up the top and the sides. Once the temps balance out to 225, add some wood chips for that smoky goodness.
Let's go ahead and get this little football on to the grill.
Let it smoke at 225 for 2 hours, then add a glaze, scoop it up, and enjoy.
Man, that's crazy good. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and get outside and make some crazy good barbecue.